Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Kia Forte key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both existing and new, to ensure a complete programming session. It's also crucial to confirm your car's battery is fully charged, as low power can interrupt the process. Finally, consult your owner's manual for any model-specific details that might be helpful before you begin. To enter programming mode, sit in the driver's seat with all doors securely closed and unlocked. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, quickly press the unlock button on an already programmed key fob 5 times. This action should signal the vehicle to enter its programming sequence, preparing it for new fob recognition. Once in programming mode, take your new key fob and press its lock button within 10 seconds. The car's locks should cycle, confirming successful programming. If you have more new fobs, repeat this lock button press for each one immediately. After all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition to the off position to exit the programming mode and save your changes. After completing the programming, it's essential to test every key fob to confirm they all work as expected. Check both the lock and unlock functions on each device to ensure full functionality. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.